One down.
That's it. She sunk in pretty good.
Yeah, we'll need the winch for sure.
Let's size it up.
There we go. All right. Get hooked. That's good. Oh, tight.
Strap's loose. We're good.
All right, lowering.
Easy. Let it roll.
Front's down.
Keep it straight.
That's good.
Got it. Look at all that coming off.
Yeah, there's the block DT-466, still in one piece.
Looks better already.
Let's work that rust back right through the center here. Look at the paint showing up again. Over the badge. There we go. We'll finish out the bed, let everything drain. That's a whole different truck now.
On, you stubborn thing. There we go. Chain's good. Ease it up. Off to a new life, old girl.
Brush, solvent, rinse. Work the carbon out of every chamber. Injector board gets its own path. Don't rush it. You want clean metal showing before you move on. Rocker arms need to move free. Keep at them until they do. Just like these, it all comes back to
We drop each oak plank into the bed and slide it home against the crossmember. Using a rubber mallet, we close up the seams so the joints are tight. A stainless bolt and washer go through the factory hole and into the frame. With every plank locked down, the board stays flush and secure.
Just wrapped up the full restoration on this 1961 Leo E1 140. Fresh cardinal red paint, triple clear coat, and all the chrome polished out. Around back, we laid in new oak planks with stainless strips, and the tailgate lines up perfectly. It rides